Hello and welcome to Scrintal, the playground for the mind. In this video, we'll be covering linking in Scrintal. Linking in Scrintal is like building a web of ideas, where every card represents a thought, a plan, or even a project. By linking your cards, documents, or boards, you create a network of connections that is easy for you to explore and navigate. Whether you're new to Scrintal or just looking to refine how to use it, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll not only learn how to link cards, but also how to link documents and boards together. Learn how this feature can help you. Let's get started. Now, let's walk you through how you can link your own cards. Create links between your cards is intuitive and straightforward. Start by clicking on the card you want to link. Once selected, you can use the connector tool. Drag to link. Draw the connector tool and drag it to the other card. Instantly, a connection will be made between two cards. Then explore the link. Once linked, you can click the connected card and move it around and see all its connections. Pro tip: if you have all your cards connected, you can zoom out to see the entire network and better understand how everything connects. Beyond linking cards, you can also link your documents. For example, to link your document in Scrintal to another board, go to the board you would like it to be linked to and click the Add button. Search your library for the document and add it. Another way is to copy the link and paste it to another board. However, it would look slightly different. So you've seen how to link your documents to a board. Now, to link boards together, it is the same. Search the board you would like to link to and add it. You can see the links you have in the right-hand corner. Click on it, and there will be a drop-down menu. With that, you've completed the tutorial on Scrintal's linking. Linking is a feature to supercharge your productivity and creativity.